Could XRP hit $58,000 per coin overnight? That is what some experts are saying, that when all these banks and institutions jump in, XRP overnight is going to absolutely explode, and it could happen much sooner than you think. The Ripple ledger is also exploding with users. We are, in addition, seeing XRP longs going parabolic, although the price is going lower. XRP network activity surges as active addresses nearly double. There is a lot going on here, ladies and gentlemen, and in this video, we are going to discuss what is going on with XRP and the crypto market. And the $58,000 price prediction, I really want to hear what you guys are thinking, because there are a lot of people in the crypto world under the belief that XRP overnight is going to have that flip of the switch moment and, hit 5,000 per coin or 10,000. It's going to be some specific level when it breaks out overnight. It's going to be a crazy event. Just like there's a huge crash and cryptos can go down a lot very fast, there's going to be a huge event in the future for XRP, in my opinion, that could take the price of XRP overnight to something absolutely crazy. Let me know if you guys agree with that in the comments below, or will it take time? Will it slowly grind up, or maybe fastly grind up, not just overnight teleport to a crazy level? I'm going to be sharing with you guys my thoughts regarding that as well. So if you guys love XRP, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. But look into what this guy has to say here. It's quite interesting.
XRP will have a massive price change overnight, literally overnight. The price of 25,000, I don't know if it's going to be 1,000, 5,000, 25,000, 58,000 like the Forbes article that got canceled or pulled off the net, but nevertheless of the amount, I believe it'll be all at once, and here's why. Well, if I'm working for Ripple XRP has over 300 deals with institutions. Based on your average volume, how many coin you will need based on the new price that it's going to be once we flip the switch. Okay, so that's going to have to be thought about, don't you believe? Wouldn't you think an institution would be concerned and want to know?
So there you have it. The institutions are going to all need XRP when they start to use XRP, and they all go online to use XRP. They're going to need XRP. They're going to need liquidity. And by them buying up all the XRP, there's not going to be much supply left. So it could create a massive supply squeeze, a supply shock that could send XRP overnight to a crazy level. And especially if we're in a very bullish time period where everyone is buying and the market's pumping, it could happen very hard and very fast. But personally, I don't think it would teleport to something crazy like 58,000 or anything crazy like that. Like, let's just say XRP was $1, it would pump maybe overnight to like $2, $3. And then you're going to see the next day it's going up like almost every hour, 10%, 20%. Like, we could see things like that. It would be absolutely insane. It would be absolutely insane. We could see things like that. I don't think it would go teleport like from $1 to 10,000 like overnight. It just mathematically, physically, I just don't think that would work. It is certainly possible though. Let me know what you guys think about that, but that's how I think it would go. We are seeing that XRP just printed one of the strongest real world growth signals in crypto. $100 million in January, and today, this month, $1.1 billion. That's the XRP ledger's tokenized commodities value in 2026, a 900% increase in under 3 months. And today we are in August, and this is continuing to grow, guys. In just a couple of months, that was taking place. And now the CFTC and the SEC are coming out with all these rules to bring tokenized assets on chain. They're going to be using the XRP ledger. This is absolutely insane. Crypto Rover is showing us that XRP holders there are massive longs going parabolic. You can see the chart here, XRP longs, it is going absolutely parabolic. The whales are loading up. The whales are buying while people are selling, while everyone's panicking. The whales are loading up. You can see the XRP network activity surges as active addresses nearly double. XRP seeing a sharp increase in network participation despite weak price action. Active addresses rose from 23,000 on August 1st to 43,000. That is insane. That's an 84% increase in just the past couple of days, according to sentiment data shared by Ali Charts. XRP processed more than 2.8 million transactions on August 5th. That marked 86% weekly increase, more than 81% above its 30-day average. Something is certainly happening right now, guys. While the price is lower and nobody cares to talk about it, people are panicking. It is going to be insane. And Brad Garlinghouse says this about XRP.
The macro environment around custody digital assets is expected to be close to $10 trillion by the year 2030.
So $10 trillion by 2030, guys. That is absolutely insane. And that would put XRP at $178 per coin. The list goes on and on and on. And are we seeing, look at this. So XRP Ledger's 1 million wallet cohort has added 32 wallets in 3 months. That's large holder growth during a 29% market cap decline. So the price of XRP has gone down, but whales holding more than $1 million or 1 million XRP coins, and that is basically $1 million now, has increased over the past couple of months. So people are buying, wallets are increasing, more activity. Guys, the market is at the very bottom. We are at the very bottom. We are literally at the bottom right now. It can go a little bit lower, but we are at the final stage of this bear market. XRP is about to skyrocket. Let me know if you guys agree with that in the comments below. But if you guys are going to be trading XRP, you guys want to trade with leverage, if you guys want to buy and sell XRP, use it with 0 fees on Toobit. This is where me and my community are trading. Check it out. Join my alpha channel where you guys can get free market updates, and also join my private community where we are posting profitable trades every single week, even in this bear market. We just closed a trade for 200% and then we caught a trade for 50%. We ended up catching this coin called Pump Fun. We also caught Cash Cat at 50 million market cap and it pumped to 200 million. Join in the community. You guys are not going to want to miss these trades that's going on. And if you guys got anything out of the video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing and notifications on, and I will see you later.